Elon, where's the whale? Yeah, where's the turtle? Where's the crab? Yeah, where's the star? Star. Where's the seahorse? Yes. Okay. Where's the jellyfish? Yep. Where's the star? Star. Star. Turtle? Is that turtle? Where's the crab? Where's the seahorse? Do you see a seahorse? Is that the seahorse? Yes. Where's the shark? Where's the big shark? Yep. Okay, where's the octopus? Yep. See turtle? Do you see the turtle? Turtle. Do you see another star? Star. Where's the crab? Yes. Where's the circle? Circle. That's the square. Square. Circle. Where's the triangle? Do you see triangle? Yep. Where's the star? Where's the star? Honey, where's the star? There he is. Is that the star? Yep, star. Where's the big turtle? Yes. Where's the octopus? Where's the octopus? Elon, is that the big octopus? Yeah. Okay. Are those balloons? Where are the balloons? Yes, balloons. Those are candles? Candles? Yeah. Where's the balloons? Where are balloons? Yes. Is that the octopus? Octopus? Where's the turtle? Where's the jellyfish? And where's the crab? Where's the crab? Elon, is there a crab on this page? Is that him right there? Yes, there's the crab. Where's the whale? Where's the big whale? Where's the balloon? Yes. Where is a star? Star. Where's the seahorse? Is that the seahorse? Where's a crab? That's the jellyfish. Is that the crab? Crab. Where's the turtle? And where is the circle? Yes, there's a circle. Where's the octopus? Very good. Where's the star? Yeah, that's the star. Where's the crab? Yeah, crab. Where's the big circle? Elon, where's the square? Right, so where's the circle? Where's the turtle? Elon, where's the turtle? Yes, there's a turtle. Is there another turtle? Another turtle? Where's the crab? Where's the crab? Yeah, where's the star? Star. Push it in. Let's look at this page. Where's the jellyfish? Yeah. Elon, where's the turtle? Where's the jellyfish? Where's the jellyfish? Yeah. Where's the crab? Where's the crab? What you doing? Are you all done with this book?